Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to review pop ads. All right. So before going to tell you my idea regarding this network and everything, let me show you my account so that you can able to understand that yes, what I'm going to share with you it is from my own experience. Not I'm not going to share in theoretical knowledge. So I have already paid out over $1,000 from this ad network. And still there is some current balance, right? So that's it from my experience. So yes, I have little bit experience with this company. I don't know how much $1,000 worthful for you, over $1,000. So, but it's a pretty decent amount, I can say that. So I hope many of you want to make this much money from this ad network, right? So let's get started with the with the all details of this ad network, right? So first of all, let me log out from this ad network. So this interface is very simple, and I'm going to review for advertisers point of view as well as publishers point of view. So many of you are watching this video, maximum of you are publishers wanted to make some money from by putting ads on your blog, right? So or a website. So let me go toward the publisher. Oh yes, one thing first, let's talk about approval process. Maximum of them, I mean 99% of the blog will get approval from this ad network. First thing is first. And putting ad code on your blog is really simple, is not difficult, is not that much difficult, right? It's really simple. And second thing, third thing, yeah, you most important thing, the rate. So rate is quite good, right? So I mean over 100 sorry 1000 US visitors, you can get above $4, which is really good. But from India or any other countries, the rate is a little bit less. In India, it may be around $2 per thousand visitors. And most important thing about this ad network is that people don't need to click on ads; it will automatically pop up. That means once people will visit your page, you will make some money out of that user. So this is the pro part. The con part is that each time they will click the pop-up, so it may irritate your regular viewers. So what we can do, you can set cookies so that your regular viewers are not going to see the ads very often, so that they will not irritate from the ads. One more another disadvantage of this type of ads, this is not an disadvantage of this ad network, but this is an disadvantage of this type of ads, pop ads, right? What is that? If you are using pop ads with Google AdSense will not work that much fine. So if you have Google AdSense, so use only Google AdSense, and you can try affiliate marketing for making a little bit more money. But if you're not, you don't have approval of Google AdSense, you can use this ad networks to make some money, some more money. A more important thing is that what payment. Well, payment heads off to this ad network, never delayed. So so far I have I have withdrawn a lot of time, right? uh, by getting payment from this ad network. But whenever I place yes, I want to withdraw money, and that is how much, only $5 from PayPal. And that's really amazing within just 24 hours, which is the best network as ever I came to know. Even any affiliate network I have gone through, any other networks from where you can make money, this is the best service they're providing. That is fast, super fast payment withdrawal, right? And you can also make get paid through PayPal, that I already said, alert pay as well as wire. So you can get paid from these things. And real time status and real terms are really simple. So these are the things, right? Now let's talk about advertisers point of view. Well, uh, yes, of course, if you wanted to show ads to mass of the people, um, uh, for brand awareness, then this is the best ad network for getting leads. Or if you want to promote any kind of funnel products, right? If you want to give something for free, which is really really needed by the market, then definitely this type of ad networks will work like charm. But even to get direct sales, then maybe it will not get, you will not get very good conversion. But if you can, you can just create funnel, right? Give, offer free ebook or free small video course, which is video course is really amazing these days. So you can go for this ad network. All right. So and quality is really amazing. You can get good, I mean good ROI if you can optimize your ads right way and pay, and you can also pay bill also, right? And most important thing is that about this ad network, that is what uh, this is really simple, not that much difficult to utilize, right? and it's CPM that I already told you, payment proof I have shown to you, as well as one more thing which people already always ask me, this is scam. No, this is not a scam. This is real, because I have shown the payment proof to you, so this is real. There is no scam at all. But of course, the CPM rate varies from place to place, and it is everywhere. Not only with this ad network, with all the ad networks, even Google AdSense, even Media.net, Infolinks, or other any other networks, right? So I have used tons of networks in my journey, so in my blogging journey, in my digital entrepreneurship journey. So from that experience, I'm sharing with you all details. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you got some amazing information. You can join this ad network. I will put the link in the description. You must join by using my link, and that is an affiliate link, of course. And now guys, one more thing, that is what, like this video, share with your friends, and do subscribe to this channel for getting regular updates of new videos regarding to digital world and other reviews, right? So guys, thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye bye.